In a single day, this book can teach you to read a person's life, their character, their timing, the shape of their destiny. Not in a year, not across 50 scattered videos you'll never finish. One day, and I'll show you exactly why that's possible. This is the Numerology Blueprint, 4 ancient traditions brought into one complete system, with every calculation a working numerologist actually uses. Most numerology books hand you a single tradition and a list of personality traits. You close them knowing about numbers, but you still can't read a chart. Most video courses run 10, 20, 30 hours. You begin with real intent, you stop halfway, you never quite reach the practice. The blueprint is built differently. Pythagorean, Chaldean, Shu and Vedic, woven into one workflow. Over 20 calculations, one complete chart. Every concept comes with a diagram. You don't just read the idea, you see it. Nothing is left vague. And you follow one real client from the first page to the last, watching a full professional reading take shape in front of you. You'll also learn the silent shift method, my own name correction system, 5 steps, fully repeatable, and in no other book on earth. Here's what makes one day realistic. You practice as you read. Worksheets, worked examples, quick reference cards you'll genuinely use with clients. By tonight, you can calculate a full chart. In one day, you go from curious to practicing. And if you'd like to watch it taught live, step by step, join my course, The 90-Minute Numerologist. Read the book, take the course. It's the fastest route to the craft. The Numerology Blueprint and the 90-Minute Numerologist are both at aurayug.com. The link is right below. Your one day starts now.